a sofa table. One by 6x8, good old common board. So here's the design. I'm going to do miters because I want a waterfall grain. In the middle, I'm going to do a bevel cut because this will be one board and this will be one board. And then the other two boards I have will be for the stretchers and for the middle support. I am going to add just one outlet, and I did get some cup holders and an LED strip. I'm gonna start with rough cutting this board at 30.5, just leaving room for the bevel cuts. Left leg, I have to keep this in mind. So I'm gonna just start doing the bevel cut, let's go. So the bevel needs to go this way. Yeah, always mark, because my dumb ass will cut it the wrong way and be so pissed at myself. I don't like cutting like this, but I don't have a choice unless I go to the table saw, so I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. So here's the grain. They went together. So this one I gotta cut this way. See, you see it? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Fantastic. I love wood. So this is the remainder of that board. So I'm gonna rough cut it to 51.5 is half of 103 inches, which is what I need. So I'm just gonna rough cut it to 52 to be safe, because I'm not feeling confident in my math right now. Oh, you know what? This end, I'm also putting a bevel cut. So I'm gonna rough cut more. Scrap. So this is just like my drawing, facing the exact same way. So I want a bevel cut going this way. Ah. So I need to cut this board to meet with this board. Right blade. I need a bevel cut going like that. Now I can cut the legs to final length. All right, I have this crazy setup just so I can route a straight line. Still really need a router table. Yeah. So I'm routing the width and the depth of my LED strip. So here, gonna add a cup holder. Is it necessary? No, absolutely not. Like the whole surface is a cup holder really, but I'm gonna be extra about it. Why not? Gonna put, do like 3 feet from each end. Using a jigsaw here would have been a lot easier and faster, but I don't like my jigsaw. It does not take corners well. So I just did it this way. It is more work, but I felt safer doing this. Now for assembly, I thought I had a good setup. I have these corner clamps. I put a lot of glue, 2 layers of glue, because I knew that the end would just soak it up. Now when I would close this clamp, it would open the miter on top. So then I decided, oh, let me add another corner clamp on the top to prevent that. So things just kept going wrong after that. The clamp wouldn't stay up, so I just gave up on it. And I was like, oh, my glue's drying. Let me add more glue. So this clamp doesn't work well for this situation. Now to hold it together, I'm attaching these L's. For some reason, this wasn't going well either, so I was not having a good time. Is this way gonna work better? I don't know. Jesus. Now for the other side, I decided to do the tape method. Now this did work smoother, but it was not perfect. So if you know a better way or a jig that I could use to bring miters together like this for long boards, please let me know so I can do that better next time. Okay, that went terribly, but I had the two sides gluing together. So let me just make sure that the other pieces are cut to the correct length. Yo, I need a better system for joining miters like that. That was insane. Now to put these two pieces together. If you could predict, this didn't go well either. I thought it would be very simple, just a lot of glue and then clamp it together. When I would clamp it, the bevel would not stay together. It would really get misaligned. So I just gave up on that and just put weight on it. And then I did add some screws here, although it didn't help that much. So here's the table now. It's put together, fabulous. Now, I'm gonna show you something. Look at this mess. So this looks really bad here. I'm gonna do a ton of sanding and then see how it looks after. So I'm gonna give you like 7 seconds to make fun of me right now. Go.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Hey, pal. You just blowing from stupid town?
I think she should buy both.
I know. What would have worked here was a longer bevel, so it has more surface area to glue onto, but you know, this bevel was just too small. And I was having a hard time just gluing it together. I would need a better setup for that. So I had to add these little boards under there to really, to secure it together. And what I wanted to do was to put this board more in the middle to support it right there, but I already had cut those two other boards, so I had to put this board where it is. So learn from my mistakes. Do not do this bevel cut unless you know like a better way to glue it. Or just get a really long board. Yeah. Why don't I just get a really long board? It didn't fit in my car. It does not fit in my car. This is 8 feet long. The boards are 8 feet long. Just get a long board. Don't be like me. I gotta sand a whole bunch now. Oh my God, I have such little space. Oh my God. I forgot about the trimming. Now I have to do special cuts now. So I put this board up against my wall and outlined the molding as best as I could. It took many tries, but this one was the closest and I'm happy with it. I'm gonna cut this out on the boards here at the bottom. Go back inside. Ooh. Look at that. I'm amazing. I'm just saying I'm amazing.